Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Fiat remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. We do that by getting a flat-headed screwdriver, and just at the bottom of the fob, just there is an indentation, just so you can put the blade of the screwdriver in and give it a twist, and it cracks the two halves of the case apart. And there is your key fob battery. Just get your screwdriver again and get underneath it and remove it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the battery is facing downwards and you can't see the writing and you know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So you get the other half of the key case, make sure it all lines up, and you click it in place. And there you go. It's all done.